Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple step to troubleshoot if Samsung microwave not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow, verify the microwave is not in demo mode. Press the options or my settings button, navigate to demo mode, ensure it is off. Check the power supply. Ensure the microwave is plugged into a working outlet. Test the outlet with another appliance. Inspect the power cord for damage. Inspect the door switch. For this purpose, you have to open the microwave door. Listen for the click while closing. If no click, the switch may be faulty. Examine the control panel. Press various buttons to check for responsiveness. Reset the microwave by unplugging it for a few minutes. Inspect the fuse. For this purpose, you have to unplug the microwave, remove the outer cover, locate and test the fuse with the multimeter. Reset the microwave. For this purpose, you have to unplug the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes, plug it back in and test its operation. Consult the user manual. Find your model's user manual. Follow troubleshooting step for power issues. Contact professional service. If the issue persists, contact Samsung support or a professional technician for further diagnosis. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.